Is this on? It's on. Yo, what's up, YouTube? Back with another video. Pull the camera real quick. It's good. Yo, look what I got here. 2025 Dark Horse. Alright, this is a base model Dark Horse with the track pack, I think. Track package. Installing this front lip. That shit's lifted. Look at that. But this thing is sick. Big ass Brembo brakes. Nice Dark Horse sign. Making this all in one clip, but yeah, just watch me install. I'm on the clock on the dealership, so I'm making a whole video by myself. Just rambling, but if you don't hear me talking much, it's because I'm at work. That's why. But sometimes people be watching. So front lip and the side fender. I don't know, trim pieces, I guess you call it. Trim pieces go here. That's really it. They just go here, I think, around. They use these push pins. Push in, another bolt in. Here, got the upper lip. I don't know what you call it. It should come with these small, like U-clips, and you just install them on the freaking right here. I don't know, can you see that? Pretty sure you install these here. There's some all around different areas. Alright, so I got them all installed. You can see the little tabs. Little tabs there. I'm trying to do my best because I have a little stand holding the camera, but the next thing would be let you guys got a good view. Lower this down and morning. Morning. this closer view. Yeah, it's looking better already. Our review of it, starting to look like a Mustang. By the way, it's like 8:07 on Thursday. 8:07 a.m. This thing is sick, dude. Alright, put you guys back. Got some of it done. We're halfway there, maybe? I don't know. Alright, so when you get the track package, you get bolts and stuff. So this is the upper front lip I already put on that you guys seen in the other clip. You gotta add 6 bolts, so I already did. I didn't torque them down yet, but show you guys the location. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, let me see. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 that you have to torque down. And you get the bolts from the front lip comes with a bag of bolts and push pins and stuff. So we're just gonna torque those down to spec. And yeah, let's move on to the next thing. Alright, so it's gonna be 1.7 Newton meters. 1.7 Newton meters. Yeah. Yeah. Where did I put my it's a little Extension 7. Last one right here. Damn, still not tightened. Right there. There you go. Not the last one. They're all torqued down. Almost died. Yeah. These on. Got the second piece in. You guys have to put it between those little crevice areas. Yep. Shit is mint, bro. Oh shit. Yeah, this shit is mint. Minty. Gotta install the belly pan on this gun after, but everything is looking good. Yeah, buddy. One thing at a time, bro. That shit's struggle. Got these air vents next. I forgot the air vents, splitter, and the outside trim for the track package, I think. I'm sure it comes with other stuff, but this is stuff that you install on your own or maybe at the dealer. Not really sure, but since I work at the dealer, I'm installing it. Yeah. So this front fascia. There's still more to put through, but got these two to hold it up so this doesn't fall off. And I'm just gonna do the rest. So 2 corners in, and then just do the rest. Make sure they're all through. You gotta be through. Just gonna do that off camera. Alright, so first add the belly shield first. I took the lower square, I made a mistake. Put this belly shield on, belly pan. Just put the push pins in for now. Set this in, and then the lower lip you put inside first. I mean after the belly pan. So this is how it's gonna look. Make sure the belly pan's in, all these are lined up, and then add the lower. Okay, got the lower lip on. So that's how it's supposed to look. With the belly pan, I made a mistake. So it's front upper lip to fascia, then belly pan. Oh, wrong way. Then belly pan, and then the lower lip, which you have to shove through and align all these freaking bolts up. All these fucking bolts now. Make sure all the holes are lined up inside. Everything is good, everything is lined up, and then you just add all the hardware. Then I'm gonna jump to the next clip. Is gonna be me adding the air vents. They go here. Air duct vents. They go here on each side. Those won't take long. Those are pretty easy. Alright, so this is how it looks with the bolts. 2 bolts here, 3 bolts in the back. That's how they look. Got the other side, passenger side. Pretty cool. I'm just gonna zap the bolts down. That's it. That's how it looks with the front of the car. Showing Ford secrets, I guess. Yeah. These are pretty cool upgrade. Coming along, buddies, coming along. Okay, it's a little bit loud in here, but I got the car up. Putting these wheel arches. They go something like this. It goes something like this on the car. So I already took off all the bolts. There's one bolt actually. One bolt right there. Shit. Let's see. One bolt, and the rest are push pins. You don't have to take the wheels off. These are easy. And Ford left these little tabs on the thing to pull off. 3M tape. So I'm just gonna set you guys up somewhere. This is kind of hard. Grab one push pin. Grab one push pin. Should be it right here. One more push pin right? Chill good. I was looking. Come on out. I was looking. Okay, there's the wheel well arch. It's looking a lot better. It's not going to be perfect because it's just held in by push pins, but that's how it looks. Front lip. And this is the side that's not on yet. See how smooth it is? Nothing yet. No arch. This one has the arch. Yeah. I'm just gonna do the other side. I'm not really gonna record or nothing. But that's how it looks. How it looks. Yeah. Here's how it's supposed to go in. electricity tabs here that goes through, and that's where you bolt them in. There's another one down here that you bolt in. You just have to put the little tab between the fabric, and yeah, that's it. Let the glue 3M tape do its thing, and yeah. Left side, you already shown me. Right side. Exactly like that. Something like that. It should form a little bit better with the 3M. Just gotta keep playing with it, but I'll fix it in a little while. Alright, and then the last piece is this duckbill. Goes on something like this. Something like that, the duckbill. So I'm just gonna put this down, take these screws out right here. I need your help, my boy. Something like that. Wow. Oh my goodness. This shit is tough. Alright, so here, this is gonna be kind of hard to see inside, but here's the duckbill. Here's the duckbill. Second piece is in. It takes us like 4 bolts, so one bolt there, second one there, third, and fourth. That's how it looks. Let me bring this outside. I have other cars to work on. Oh my god, front looks like amazing. I'll give you guys start up real quick. First off. Thanks, man. Nah, I'm good. I gotta bring it outside. Alright, so this is the front looks on. I'll show you guys before and after pictures of how this looks. And then you got the wheel arches I put on. Wheel arches are on, and then the duck bill. Show you guys the inside. I don't think I showed you. Then the duck bill. In the sunlight, can't really see, but yes, it's fire. Sounds good, looks good. As it's going into detail, so it's gonna get washed. Dark horse sign, so sick. Stevens forward, baby. It's probably my thumbnail. Alright, that's it. Got the dark horse at detail back there. That's really it. Now I gotta go back to work and work on Lincolns and Fords and recalls and shit. That was just me installing the track pack that you get for a dark horse. Dark horse is 2025. That sounded weird. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.